I commonly see many types of patients in my clinic with overuse injuries. Overuse injuries are areas of the body that will become painful because a patient has repetitively done a certain activity. In the shoulder, I commonly see this in young pitchers and overhand throwing athletes. By pitching too much or not having enough rest during the season, patients will often come in with shoulder pain. It usually is not an anatomic problem or a tear or a rupture or an injury. It's just inflammation, irritation of the shoulder because of overuse. Overuse injuries are some of the most common problems that we are seeing now as young athletes continue to play multiple sports at a time. More importantly, these young athletes are practicing and overusing their shoulders in a specific sport. It's these specific sport types of activities that seem to cause more and more overuse injuries. The best treatment for an overuse injury is avoidance. So appropriate rest, the appropriate amount of playing and throwing is the way to stay away from overuse injuries. The treatment for an overuse shoulder injury is not throwing, taking anti-inflammatories, and potentially getting into a therapy program. Another very common area that I see of overuse is the elbow. This is most commonly seen in young pitchers and overhead throwers because they're pitching or throwing too much. This is very common in very good athletes who seem to play for more than one team at a time. This constant throwing without rest can be very detrimental to the elbow. It can cause increased pain, inflammation, and alter mechanics that can, down the road, cause significant injury. The best treatment is avoidance. Again, you must watch how often little athletes are pitching. We must monitor how much rest each athlete is getting. And this can be very commonly overlooked by coaches who may not know that these pitchers are playing for other teams, when they pitch, how they pitch, and how many times and throws they're throwing each day. So my best recommendation for overuse injuries is to rest and listen to the body. If the body is painful, you have to shut it down.